when to use your hero skills, because this is crucial for the hard stage and your progress in the Dragonheir Silent Gods. First thing, you definitely have to know what kind of skills the enemy is having. In our case, first thing, you definitely want to know what type of skills the enemy is having. Basically your boss or chief fight. Normally the mobs through the way to the chief fight is not so important, but you also have to keep them in mind. Now, first thing you have to always check, and this is the spells the boss is having, because on different level the boss can actually have improved skills. What I mean by that is, for example, in the Grave of Wrath, the stage maybe 5 have like 50% healing reduction. In stage 9 this percentage is 100 healing prohibition. So you definitely want to know what type of skills the boss is having. In this example I will give Grave of Wrath, and here is in this example I'll talk about the Grave of Wrath, because this is an instance where you have a lot of debuffs and a lot of buffs, and this is basically what you're going to face further in the stages. So from the debuffs you have poison and healing reduction, and this is all over the map. You cannot actually hide from this, so definitely want to have a lot of resistance here. But in the same time, if you have a hero, for example like Catherine, or other hero, for example maybe Fritz, I will give just 2 examples. One is Catherine. Her ultimate is actually debuff immunity, so you have to time your debuff with the boss debuff, and it's for 10 seconds. Other hero that is, I think, better is actually Fitz, and Fitz is a hero that is going to transfer all the debuffs to him and get extra HP by doing that. And that is one of the skills you want to timing. This is one of the skills you want to be better and use on the right moments. Also, you're going to need some debuffs, but yeah, let's jump. Use your right timing for this poison and healing reduction, because this is for 30 seconds, so if you miss your right moment, it's going to be very painful. But even with Catherine that is having like 10 seconds the debuff prohibition, this is for 30 seconds, and one time it catch you, it's going to be for a long time. And in this case I strongly suggest just use Fitz, who is going to get all the debuffs and transfer to him. Also, this boss have other spells like reduce recharging speed. Here is another debuff that is very crucial in your performance against this boss. And finally, this boss is getting healing, so you have to put some healing prohibition on this boss. And this is the spell. When you start the fight, currently I will just show you, maybe I will challenge. When you start your fight, you're going to see a bars, and this is the way to timing the things. Okay, maybe I'll start just to show you. The battle start. Here is the most important spell, so I'm going to stop my secret and wait just couple seconds before the boss actually go for this spell, and I'm going to use it right now. It's going to apply healing prohibition, so the boss is going to start eating my tank, and like this she is not going to get any healing. But if I miss this thing, maybe I'll take out the secret. She also have healing prohibition, but yeah. Okay, right now the boss is going to swallow my tank, and okay, the secret actually put healing prohibition, since she have a second spell for the healing prohibition. But we're going to try without this healing prohibition to see the crucial importance of this timing. Okay, the boss start eating my hero, and he's going, okay, he get again healing prohibition. I just have a lot of accuracy on the secret, maybe I'll put some other hero, but you get the idea. If your hero don't put some kind of healing prohibition, the boss is going to start getting start healing. So I'll just do redeploy, and I'll maybe take out the secret in this case. So the secret is not going to be here. I'll put, just for the example, I'm going to put this hero there. And right now we don't have any healing prohibition, And just to show you how important is the buffs and the right timing. This is very crucial in this fight of this boss. He is going to swallow my hero, and right now the boss is going to start healing himself. And yeah, maybe was not here, I don't know. He didn't get any healing, that's strange. Normally it's 600% from the damage. Maybe my tank was having shield, I don't know. And the other thing is, right now all my heroes have pretty much debuffs, and we cannot actually take out this. Okay, right now as you can see, my feats get all the debuffs and everybody is clear to get pure healing. This is also very important, but you have to keep your feats alive to actually succeed here. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I tried to make it short. Just try to timing your skills here. The boss don't have some attack boost or defenses where you want to have, for example, the buff prohibition, but definitely have this healing restoration. That is very crucial. You have to care also what of the buffs that you want to handle somehow. And since it's for 30 seconds, I don't think Catherine can actually handle a lot. Here you may want to go more for something to transfer like fits. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I'm close to dying. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.